My monster's like a hippo. He's low and really strong. He's got a swirly horn and a tongue that's pink and long. He's got 2 yellow eyes and a pair of purple wings. And he's got 2 deadly teeth that he shows when he sings. My sister has a monster. It's really kind of cute. It's like a little worm in a pink and yellow suit. It's got 7 purple eyes, but it's only got 1 tooth. But it's got a pair of feathery wings, so it can fly up to your roof. If you could have a monster, would you like hers or mine? Or would you like to make your own? That would be fine. If you could make a monster, I'd really love to see just what it would look like and what sort it would be.